In your smartphone, open a Google app. I'm opening Gmail, for example. Now tap on your profile photo and select your Google account, for which Google account you want to create a passkey. Once you selected the exact Google account, again tap on your profile photo here, and this time select manage your Google account. In here, tap on security and sign in. Under security and sign in, here you will get this option passkeys and security keys. So tap on passkeys. Now verify your phone lock. Tap on create passkey. And here select create a passkey. Tap on continue, or you can tap on more options and create passkeys to sign into your Google account. Tap on more options, and here you can just go ahead and select any option to create a passkey. So I'm selecting my fingerprint to create a brand new passkey for my Google account, and we can see the passkey created. So that's how you can actually create passkeys for our Google account.